Hello and welcome to Eganeet classes. Together let us simplify maths. Here we are dealing with the first question of the very first chapter, that is rational number of exercise 1.1. Here the question states, using appropriate properties, find the value of the given mathematical expression. Now, many children get confused when they have to use the properties. They know the properties very well, but how to apply it is the most important thing. And let's deal it together. Observe the question very carefully. Minus 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. One thing that you have to keep in your mind is when you multiply two numbers, you get one number. So whenever you observe this multiplication sign, remember that you are dealing with one number, and then you can apply the properties very easily. So here in this question, I see that I have two multiplication signs, and in those two multiplication signs, I can observe a common rational number, which is 3 by 5. So why not just bring them together and apply one very important property, and that is the distributive law of multiplication over addition. Now bringing together is nothing but associativity. We know that A plus B plus C can be added in any order. So I can just add A plus C and add a B to it instead of adding A plus B and then adding a C to it. So let me do it. Now the next problem here is the negative sign. Remember that this product is negative, and what did I say about product? That it is one number. So this number is negative. So this negative sign goes with the number wherever it goes. So what happens next? Let's see. I will just write minus 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 5, and this minus sign will come over here, minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. What happens next? Observe that 3 by 5 is common, and we know that A into B plus A into C is nothing but A into B plus C. But what about this negative sign? Don't bother about the negative sign. Take a negative A outside. So I will just take out a negative 3 by 5 as a common rational number. When I take it out common, I am left with two more rational numbers, namely 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. So I shall write a 2 by 3 over here and a plus 1 by 6. Now many children have a problem with this plus sign. Why should this be plus? Remember, every time you apply the property of distributivity, just open the brackets in your mind and see if the negative signs are matching or not. Here negative 3 by 5 multiplied with 2 by 3 will give you a negative product, definitely a negative product, because minus into plus gives you a minus. Similarly, over here a negative into a positive once again will give you a negative sign, and hence what we have taken out common and what we have kept in the brackets are correct. Now the question is very simple. We will just simplify the bracket first. So I get a minus 3 by 5 over here. This will have 6 as the LCM. This becomes 4 plus 1, and finally it is added to a 5 by 2. Observe 3 and 6 can get cancelled, giving you a 2, and here I get minus 1 by 5 multiplied with 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled, and what are you left with? Minus half plus 5 by 2. Very simple. Why? Because these are like fractions. In like fractions, what do? We add the numerator, the denominator remains the same. Minus 1 plus 5. Adding a minus 1 to plus 5 gives you a plus 4, and hence you get a 4 by 2, which is nothing but equal to 2. Hence, using the properties, we found that this expression is equal to 2. A few things that you should remember is that the properties are not only to be learnt but to apply to make your questions very easy. every time you use the distributive property, very quickly just open the brackets in your mind and check whether the negative signs are matching to the original expression or not. Or using all these properties, you can make your rational numbers very easy. Keep practicing and keep studying.